CSS media query is a way to make our websites to be responsive, both for the desktop, the tablet, and also for mobile screen sizes. Okay. Let's say you have some content that are being displayed in a way on your desktop, okay, and then you want it to be much more arranged when it comes to your mobile size. Okay, we make use of CSS query to get that done. All right, so right now what I'm gonna do right now is to go ahead and create a container. I'm gonna say a section. I'm having a container as a class name, and I will go ahead and say I'm gonna make this container to have a div, okay, or divs, and then I'm gonna say for the div, let me say this div, okay. I'm just gonna copy it and then make it up to like let me say make it up to like 4, okay, 4 divs right now, and right now there's nothing there. Okay, I'm just gonna check out my code, my web browser, and it's already running live and nothing displayed there. So I'm just going to start with this. I'm gonna make first of all target my divs, and I'll say let the divs have a width of 500 pixels and then a height of 500 pixels also. Okay, and like sort, okay, height of 500 pixels. All right, and then I'm gonna say background color to be yellow. Okay, background color to be yellow, and let's see how it is at this point. Let's see, and this is how we have it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a margin. Okay, I'm gonna add a margin so that it's gonna stand out on its own. Margin of 10 pixels or size, and yeah, you can now see it standing on its own. Okay, I think this is too much. I'm just gonna reduce to 200 and 200. Okay, and we have something like this. Great. Okay, so let's say we want to flex this item now. All I have to do is come first of all say flex. I'm just gonna flex it. Okay, I will say flex. Okay, which is basically display, and then display, and then flex it. Okay, and we have this item flex. I'm gonna say justify content. Okay, which we have done previously. Justify content to space between. Okay, I'm just gonna say space between, and I'm having this on my browser. Okay, now let's say this is actually how we want an item to appear on a browser, and more like a desktop browser. Okay, and we want this item not to appear this way when it comes to a tablet. So let's say you want it to appear two in a row when it comes to a tablet. All right, so how am I gonna do that? First of all, I need you to right click on your browser and go to inspect. Okay, when you go to inspect, you will see it will show something like this depending on the type of browser you're making use of. It will show something like this, and I want to, if you make use of Chrome or anyone, I want you to click something like this icon that has to do with desktop and mobile. Okay, this will help you review how it appears on mobile and how it appears on desktop. So click on it. When you click on it, look at what I have here. Okay, look at what I have here. So I would like to if, as you can see, if I hover on this, it says here on mobile. If I click on it, this is how it appears on mobile. If I click on if I go higher, it says here tablet. This is how it appears on tablet. Okay, it appears on tablet. And if I try to expand this the more, okay, let's see here. This is how I will click here, and this is how it appears on a laptop. And I also want you to be observant of something, and that is the width. Okay, because it's been measured by the width. The width determines whether you are on desktop or you are on a tablet or even a mobile. Okay, so when I go to my laptop here, it says width of 1440, and when I come to it, there is also a width of laptop that is actually 1024, which is also this. It's assuming to be a laptop. Then if I click here, he sees it as 768, which is a tablet. And then if I come somewhere here, they can see mobile, depending medium mobile. Okay, yeah, you see it as 377. So let's say on the mobile, we want it to be only one in a row, in a column rather. Okay, or even in a row. So one in a column or in a row. And then when it comes to tablets, you want it to be 2 2. But when it comes to the laptop view, we want it to maintain the 4. Okay, so laptop, as we have done right now, which is the desktop view, is more like the default right now that we have done. So let's now work on the tablet. So all you have to do is to, first of all, note down the width of a tablet, probably the one that you really want to work with. Okay, so I will just go ahead and make use of the one I have here. And they say tablet here is actually 768 width. So I will just come to my code and I will do something like at media query. Okay, at media and then screen like this. Okay, this screen now is more like what screen I try to work with. Okay, so I'll just say I want to work with a maximum width of 768 pixels. Okay, so it is gonna be from 768 pixels and then downwards. All right, so what do I want to do? I want to make it to be that the width of this div. Okay, I want to make it the width of this div to be to increase from being 200. First of all, I will need to make this one to be flex wrap, so that it can be able to wrap my flex items. Okay, then I can now come here and instead of making this 200, I can just make this let's say 50%. Okay, let's make use of percentage here. Let's see how it goes. 50 percentage, and then the height is okay for me. If I just go ahead and click on this and save it, let's see how it goes for now. I have it 1 that means I have to reduce my hand. I'll just say 40 percentage here, and then it's actually 40 percentage. Okay, covering the screen. And if I go back to my laptop, okay, size here, as you can see, it appears like this. All right, and if I come back to my tablet, it appears this way. So next in line is actually the mobile. Let me say I want to work with mobile of we have 375, we have 320, we have 425. Let's say you want to work with the one of 375, the medium. Okay, I'll just do the same thing. Let's say I'll just copy this this media query. Okay, I'll just copy it and then come here, paste it, and here I'm just gonna say 375. Okay, I'm just gonna say 37.5. We'll go here and say instead of 40%, I will just say 100%. Okay, 100%, and as you can see, it becomes 1. It becomes stacked to each other when it's on mobile, but whenever it's on tablet, it tends to be 2. Whenever it's on what is it called, a laptop, yeah, it tends to be 4, which is awesome, which is how we want it. You can also try to hide some contents here. Let me say you don't even want it to be visible in your mobile. All you have to do is target that and just say display of none. Okay, target it as a display of none, and it means that when you're on mobile, you're not gonna see it, but when you're on tablet, you can see it. So there are some items when you are on mobile while you are researching or you're browsing. There are some items that if you're on mobile, you won't be able to see them, but if you're on desktop, you'll be able to see them. And basically, I believe this explained also for you. It's explained that sometimes we make some research on some browsers or some websites, and the view how it's being displayed on the mobile phone is not really how it's being displayed on the desktop. Okay, it is being optimized and being responsive. Okay, and that is because they made use of this responsiveness. Okay, and they made use of this media query to make their website to be responsive, which is actually a good work. Okay, you must have to make it to be responsive so that someone with a mobile phone will be able to be to see a fitting content on his or her mobile. Okay, and someone with a tablet will also see a fitting content on the tablet, and someone with a desktop will also see a fitting content on the desktop, and not it to be that how I see it on the desktop is gonna be how I see it on the mobile, and most times it's actually not optimized and not responsive, and some contents will be moving from left to right, not really in order. Okay, so as a good web developer, you need to learn this properly and know how to work on this. Okay, so subsequent times we are gonna work on some projects, real life projects that have involved this, and we'll see how to go about it. Thank you so much.